Let's do a video since I won't be here much longer. This is the back. This is the sink at work, the back, the board. This is where I keep everything, my tissues, usually my water. The board of all these cool things that my boss gets. All our rules. There's the cups that I can never put the box up there. I always put it down there. This is like going into the workplace from the back. Let's explore the back a little more. There's the ice machine. A lot of ice. The sodas that I stock. There's not many today, so I didn't really stock it. Well, this is my boss's office. Obviously, it's closed, but dun-da-da-da, I do have a key, which I don't know where I put it. Oh, there it is. See, my key. I knew it was there. We'll leave it there. My purse, whatever. Here's another little office for people that are training on the... Oh, there's no computer in here anymore. Well, there is, but I don't know. Extra shit. We don't care about that place. All the boxes. I know what every single box is. Medium cups, large cups, beans down there. Coffee by the pound. Iced coffee cups, iced coffee lids. Lots of other shit. There's garbage bags, wrappers for sandwiches. Sugar, 50 pounds of sugar. My coworker probably thinks I'm crazy for talking to myself right now. Here's the freezer. These are all frozen bagels in here. Oh, you can't even see. Whipped cream, cream cheese. There's my creamers that I stock all the time. Then you go in here, and it's like even colder in here. This is all the frozen foods, eggs, whatever, you know. Let's get out of here. It's kind of chilly. Yep, that's the freezer. Let's go back to the main. This is outside. Let's see how rainy it is. Ew, rainy day. Let's go see what she's doing. She's probably taking care of someone right now. Yeah, she's making a sandwich. That's Diana. Oh, okay. Is there anyone up front? I've been filming. I've been taking a tour of Dunkin' Donuts since I won't be here much longer. I want to see everything and remember this. There's iced coffee. That's where I make the hot coffee for drive-thru cream. That is the drive-thru. That's Diana cleaning up the sandwich station. Our ovens. Let's walk the other way. Hot chocolate, hot tea. There's Coolada machines. I know. I'm a dork. This is where you make coffee for the front. This is tea, box of Joe. There's the donuts. Oh, hey, Bruce. This is Bruce, who I will miss when I'm gone. I'm recording everything, so I remember this. That is the register. Ooh, let's do this. This is Bruce's water. Bruce always gets water. There you go, Bruce.
Thanks.
You're welcome. And then, so this is, as you can see, the whole place. That's the regulars over here. Hello. Oh, yeah, regular black decaf with one cream.
There you go.
Yes, and then Fran and Ron, you know the deal. You're on my camcorder. Camcorder Nicole Vision here. That's where I stock all the sodas. This is the coffee by the pound that I stock. That's Rose over there doing her reading. And this is the front where everything is. And that's outside. I'm recording, so I remember this when I'm gone, and I'll have this video. I filmed the whole back and everything. Next month, June 1st is my last day.
By that time, that camera will be broken.